Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now.
Hello, YouTube. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. In the Turbo Toad Central Office, the Turbo Toad Turnup. And as it says, there is an announcement coming. What is this? Monday? I think it's the 17th. I got to go back and check. So in the comments, before we get into it, what do you think the announcement is coming Monday? What do you think it is? Let me know your ideas, thoughts, hopes, and dreams. And let's get to it. Also, I think the price is going to start pumping again. So let me know what you guys think about that. So let's get to business. Just trying to rebuild the community. This happened last time on when it dropped. It was nothing big. Harlem Fashion, what's going on, man? And you're right. That's why these guys tell us not to make announcements ahead of time. But I think this is going to be a big announcement. Actually, I think this is going to be pretty big. I think this is bigger than the last big announcement, but we'll see on Monday. This happens the last time when it dropped, it was nothing big. Yeah, so they're kind of cautioning us, sorry, not to FOMO in to the announcement in case it's not a good announcement. I wish I could tell you. I don't even know myself what it is. I've been asking these guys and nobody's responding yet. So I don't know unofficially, what the actual announcement is yet. Trying to close something here. Why is it not closing? What happened? That's weird. It's really weird. Why is this not? Anyway, so this is Inside Bitcoins. I guess this is a news magazine, and this is yesterday. Actually, I think I do know. I think I know, right? But I don't want to send you guys down rabbit holes. And there's two big announcements coming up. So I don't want to tell you guys the wrong thing, and I don't want you guys FOMOing in and then realize it's not what you think. The announcement I'm aware of, these guys always do it and then it comes back like, oh yeah, this is what it is, or this is what it could be, or this is what happened. And then, oh, well, there's a legal issue. We had some red tape. We talked to the lawyers. The lawyers want to revise something. We checked with the project. The project is not going the way it's supposed to. So I can't say anything, right? Because I say something and then it doesn't happen. You guys are like, but you told us. You told us. You got the inside track. No, right? I mean, they're telling me, but these guys are telling me a lot of stuff, right? Like I told you guys, in November, there was a lot of announcements coming down, right? It's not just one or two things they're working on. These guys are busy working on lots of projects and lots of things coming. That's why I'm saying it would be okay. It is Tuesday. It would be one of several things. Anyway, the price continues to slide down. Looks like it may go down to 0.009. I hope so, so I can pick it up. It's coming down for us to pick it up. You know, or you think you know. And the 17th is Tuesday. Okay. So for the announcement, I do know it's supposed to be the 17th, which is Tuesday. But the one I do know about, they keep pushing it back, right? It was supposed to be the first week of December. Then it was supposed to be Friday, today, right? And then they pushed it back to the 17th. So I wouldn't be surprised if they push it back again, right? I don't know because I don't actually handle the business end. I'm just trying to help you guys rebuild the community. So back to inside Bitcoin, turbo price skyrocketed 62% after Coinbase listing our frog theme rivals Pepe, Unchained, and Wall Street Pepe next in line. Do not invest unless prepared to lose all your money you invest. This is a high risk investment. You shouldn't expect to be protected if something goes wrong. Memecoin Turbo soared 62% after its Coinbase listing yesterday. Fueled speculation over the next theme, fog theme crypto to benefit from a listing boost on a premier exchange. The hot money is on the latest frog theme sensation, Pepe Unchained, which has exploded 552 pump 152% pump since it listed in December 10th, fired up by momentum from its record-breaking 74 million pre-sale. What? And the team's already said the major CEX listing, centralized exchange, will follow in the next days. Decentralized launches been rifled with rumors, and its massive pre-sale could win it a covenant listing on Coinbase. Interesting. I don't even know about this Pepe Unchained. Turbo climbed to 0.008 on December 10th and a high of 4.43 on December 11th after its Coinbase listing. Serves as yet the latest example of the price momentum of major exchanges listing can deliver even well-established crypto. This is a whole article about Pepe Unchained. Who cares about Pepe Unchained? Okay, so what do we got? Are you an insider? Seems like you're either one or capping. It's not cap. I mean, I know. I'm just not telling you. Leaning cap, but let's enjoy the conversation. Leaning cap. I mean, I know, right? But I can't, these guys are telling me not to tell you guys, right? Believe what you want to believe. You think it's cap, it could be cap. But why would I cap about announcements, right? It's not even anything to me of mass importance, right? We're not going to not continue to DCA, right? We're not going to not buy it. We're going to, at this point, M. Wessy, what's this guy's name? I mean, we're in too deep at this point, right? Um, why would I fund the project, right? I'm in it to make money, right? It's an investment. So why would I fund the project? One, and two, I just don't want to upset the natural um order of things, right? Something happens because, like you said, Harlem, the last time an announcement came out, it was an announcement and it wasn't that big, right? Like the whole swing game, nobody even looked at it. It was right before the Coinbase announcement, and we thought it would be pretty big with the game in Orange Web3. and nobody even really paid attention to it. So I don't know what your expectations would be or wouldn't be. So it's best just to wait and see. I want us to hit 50 cents already. Harlem, calm down. You guys got a diamond hand and be patient. It takes time to make money, guys. Just be patient. You said earlier you didn't know what it was, but think you know. It seems like you're talking both sides of your mouth, no disrespect. No, no problem. I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping, not at all. I'm just trying to avoid from selling too much. So we'll see come Tuesday, right? I don't know what to tell you, what not to tell you, what to say, what not to say, how much information to give you. But from what I can tell, I'll give you this tidbit. It's a partnership, right? We'll see. If it's a partnership, I know what I was talking about. If it's not a partnership, maybe I got the announcement wrong. But if there's a partnership in the announcement, you know that I wasn't capping, right? So we'll find out Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs, frogs and tadpoles. Let's go. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Yes, Magic Hat, what's coming? Nobody will know, right? There's a lot. I'm telling you guys, they're working on a lot, right? It's not just one single project and one end all be all. There's a whole lot of stuff in the pipeline. These guys are meeting and talking and working with development teams every day for different kind of projects and different kind of um applications or application tools or trading options. But we'll see. And you're right, Turbo is a good investment. Turbo is a meme coin that was AI generated that is getting utilities like these games, this Sling game. Anybody even play the Sling game? Well, we're in this rabbit hole. Let's go all the way in. Turbo time, let's go. BTM, what's up, Roaring Toady? Do you hear this brother going back and forth? Anyhow, let's enjoy the topic. No worries, no worries. I mean, say what I said. We'll keep moving forward. Trending, third trending on CoinGecko. So this is what is L? Turbo, 819 million market cap, 341 million trading volume. Price change 31.8%. Current price 1.2 cents. Exchange by volume. Binance. That's what I'm saying. I don't even think there's a lot of people um using Coinbase yet, right? I know Binance is bigger than Coinbase, but I was expecting Coinbase. But like I said previously, okay, so break it down. The Coinbase listing doesn't have a lot of liquidity, right? The only way we're going to get a lot of liquidity is someone transfers their stuff to the exchange or people start buying up. It's there, but I don't know that there's a lot of liquidity on Coinbase yet, right? I don't know if there's a lot of tokens there yet. No, it's listed and Coinbase has their allocated amount. But until people start transferring it over to Coinbase and people start buying it, I don't think there is actually a lot of tokens on Coinbase. I get the feeling that the exchange are manipulating the price of Turbo. That would be great if the big announcement for the 17th for Turbo listing is Robinhood. An algorithm that is. I think you're right. I think there is. It is something we did talk about. For the exchange, it would help for volatility, right? If you're going up and down with shorts and future trading, You're not going to make money if the coin doesn't dip and come up, right? You make money on your future trading because the price volatility is there. So if it is an algorithm or if it is something that the exchange can do to generate more volatility, why wouldn't they do it, right? They're trying to make money. They're in it to make money. They're not in it to help us, right? They want to make as much money as possible. Turbo's taken over the cycle. Turbo token is crushing the meme coin game and proving why it's the ultimate contender. But hold on to your lily pads. Something big is coming December 17th. So actually, Massey, I'm just here to hype you guys, right? I'm just hyping it up. I don't even want to say, right? I don't even want to speculate. I just want you guys to have interest so we can bring more interest in and actually create a bit of FOMO. So when the announcement does hit, which I hope is successful, I hope they don't delay the announcement. I hope it does come over well and people jump on it. But again, we'll have to wait and see. Wrapping up the year with a call to Robinhood. What does it take for Turbotone to make it to your list? Evolution of Turbo is rooted in a vibrant community designed with fairness at its core while maintaining transparency and decentralization. Shout out to Scoob. Pretty interesting. But also keep flooding X with Robinhood request, right? I know you guys realize it, but I'm not sure everyone does realize it. We are doing what we're doing and getting listed because of the community participation, right? There's a lot of people in the cryptocurrency arena that are very stoked on the amount of momentum that Turbo has with the community, right? Just trying to help you rebuild the crypto community. The community as a whole is one of the biggest assets to Turbo. So now they're trying to create more utility, more function, and more awareness of Turbo, put it that way. So we're trying to get involved with more projects to get the Turbo name out there. POTA has a restriction that you can't trade more than 100K block sell order. Yeah, but we knew that, right? Everyone has a way to, I guess, restrict, right? There's not going to be, maybe you can swap it or trade it, but I think there is a restriction on the amount you can sell per day or something, right? So it keeps the price within reason. Coinbase charts are messed up. It's saying Turbo is up 15% on the day. What? This is exactly why you need to buy Turbo. Don't miss out on the opportunity to back a project that's making waves and delivering real value. Daily top 5 most traded on BTX Turbo. 1, 2, 3. Number 4, I guess. Turbo Charge. Why so gloom Turbo is Robinhood ignoring many requests to spot list the people's token. Yes, they are Robinhood. Let's get rectified and bring the people's financial freedom. Shout out to Black Widow Phantom. Diamonds in the Toad. Shout out to Miss Infinity. The future's calling Turbo by its supercharged name. Endless echoes of infinite possibilities join us. And this is Buy Turbo and Thank Me in a Month. Miss Infinity. Yes, dear beloved Robinhood app. For all the above reasons, time to spotless Turbo. Best meme in AI crypto. This super bull run. Join us. We are your target. You are on target to list. Baby Blitz, Miss Infinity as well. I like that. I actually like the floating toad. Shout out to Michael O'Neill. Fun fact: it's estimated there are 200 billion trillion stars in the universe. Everyone's preparing to launch for the next mission to fact check date 12/17/2014. Preston, I made some turbo hype songs. Um, Coinbase Turbo 24-hour chart is stuck on December 11th. What? What? Coinbase. So this is Coinbase. Down 33% in the 0.33 in the last hour, 6.3 in the last day, up 27 in the last 7 days, 25 in the last 30 days, 189 in the last 90 days, 2,520 over the year. Current price is 1.1 cents. And if we look at the Ether scan, we are 47,806. And thought I wrote the number down yesterday. Let me check. Yeah, looks like the holders are coming back up because I think we ended yesterday at 47,655, right? And the infamous chart. So on the 4-hour chart, it appears, right, came down, went up, and we're coming down again. If we hit this level of resistance at 009, would be setting up for a double bottom, right? MACD cross, we added volume, price went up. MACD cross, we lost volume. It's on the 4-hour chart. Let's go over the 15-minute chart. Flat, right? This is the, let me see, is this? Dang it, hold on. Okay, so this is the resistance line that 013, and we are down. You can clearly see we are trending under the line, and the next leg down is 0.10. Right, and let's see, what was the last line we bounced at 009? Is it 009? Wait, though, is it zeros? It is here. So 0092, I guess, right? I don't think we're gonna get down that far to this 00. Is that 009? Let me bring this down. I don't think we're gonna go down to that's 008. What the? What's 00? Yeah, 0092. So let's go back into the chart. We're trending on this 0116117 line. Let's see here. If Turbo hits 0.10, I would have to submit 10 separate 100K orders. Just insane. Here's the link. Turbo token. Turbo will take over Shiba Inu. I hope so. I really hope so. I thought I had what is this? I thought I had coin ranking already up. Who is that? Preston, send me that link in Twitter, the X page. I can pull it up that way. Coinranking.com memes. And Turbo is number 13. Looks like this AI 16Z came up 894.3 million market cap. Turbo 799. Hopefully we can get back to 12, maybe 11, maybe in the top 10, maybe over a billion market cap. Big announcement for Turbo on the 17th. If you missed it, wonder if it's about Robinhood. Actually, that's what we're talking about. But if I remember, I'm trying to remember about the Coinbase announcement. They didn't give us a date, did they? They told us the day before or a couple days before that they was going to list it. They didn't give us a specific date. You guys remember? Just trying to put it in context. I don't remember actually. What are you saying? What? I don't even know what that is. Yeah. Don't even not even sure what you're saying there, Slick. Let's see. The Journey of the Sun. Okay. That's weird. Where do we go? The Journey of the Sun. Um, okay, we'll go back to this. So you're saying it looks like it's heading down to 010. You're right. I think it is coming down for us to pick it up. Hopefully it hits this resistance line at 001 or 009 and comes back up. Let's see what the 5-minute chart showing. Looks like we're still losing volume and the MACD is down and the RSI is down as well. So unless something drastic happens pretty soon, I think we're going to continue to slide down over the weekend. So let me know what you guys think about that. What is up, Silver Grinder?
We're talking about Turbo token. Uh, some price.
Let's see what the catalyst for Turbo token listing next. Bags only.
Price consolidation here, obviously, I think across the market as a whole. Let me just actually look at the whole market real quick. Yeah, we're just seeing some slight pullback, obviously, after a few days of back in the green after a major, bloody, I would say 36. Bloody, I would say 36 hours or so. In the market, we take a look at Bitcoin really quickly over the last 7 days. I mean, like earlier this week, maybe like 3, 4 days ago, right? We saw Bitcoin go all the way down to around $94, back up to 100 grand, and then kind of just like really leveling out for the most part over the last 12 to 24 hours or so. Going back to we look at the entire meme coin market. Similar type of price action across the board. When you do compare Turbo, though, up 31% over the last 7 days. No meme coin over the last 7 days really pales. In comparison, right? $765 million market cap currently. Obviously, I made, I don't know, probably like 10 to 15 videos now, specifically on Turbo token. My favorite meme coin as we do head into this cycle. I think, again, it's important to understand and just to reiterate to anyone that does watch these videos, that these meme coins and crypto in general, altcoins in general, any cryptocurrency, right, could be extremely volatile, especially in the current market that we are in. As you know, so much money is flowing into Bitcoin essentially, in Ethereum. And then hopefully when we see altcoin season, all that money is flowing out into the altcoins. But at 0.011 at the time of this video, Turbo, like I talked about with the market cap of Bonk, it's all-time high. So a 4 billion market cap puts Turbo right around 5 cents, which would be about a 5x from the current price. Um, I do believe that there is a ton of upside for Turbo to reach, a significant market cap where it could be a significant multiplier for a lot of people, depending on obviously where you got your position, or um, your average price or whatever it may be, right? But like I talked about again, and I will continue to talk about, Turbo with the market cap of Pepe puts that around 15 cents. Pepe's all time high is 16 cents. Around 13.59x. And again, I think I've talked about it, and I mentioned it. 15, 25 cents, anywhere in that realm of 15 to 25 cents is very, very possible for Turbo. Like I don't want to say that's conservative, but it is something that is like, very, very possible, in my opinion. But interesting enough, like, right, we know Turbo got the Coinbase listing, which is obviously massive for Turbo and a huge catalyst. And I think for me at least, it didn't run up, honestly, truly, as much as I thought it was going to. I think it only ran up like a total of 30%, as you can see here. Um, So yeah, 30%. The trading volume jumped to 60, 62, almost 63%. The trading volume was almost at 1 billion, which is insane. Like the trading volume has continuously, for the most part, right? It's down 57% right now, but for the most part, it has pretty much matched. Um, it's pretty much matched the market cap, or like at least been at least 50%. The trading volume has been at least 50% of what the market cap is. Obviously, it's down right now, but again, when Turbo got shortly listed after on Coinbase, the volume was insane, right? Like the volume was absolutely insane. And again, that's not like something I think that people are forgetting about, right? Or like, obviously Coinbase listing is huge. Coinbase listing is something we've been looking towards, um, hoping for a very long time. So to see it essentially not only run up 30%, which again it's not something to scoff at, right? Like 30% in a relatively short period of time, again, 7-day period is not bad. This was pretty much, it hit 0.014 essentially as a high after the Coinbase listing. I think Coinbase listing was essentially like right around here on the 11th, right? Early morning hours of the 11th, and it pumped up to 0.014. And we're seeing day traders and things like that, people they're trying to get in and out of Turbo for a quick profit, obviously selling here. But something interesting that Turbo official Twitter put out, mark your calendars, the Turbo revolution is just getting started. Stay sharp, get ready, December 17th.
So back to the manipulation thing. I think there's manipulation going on to control or to be attractive and more stabilized. I think it's done across exchanges. I sent Turbo Hype songs to the link on X. Okay, let me find that. Sounds like it's legal. An algorithm does manipulate and covers all exchanges to seem legal. Or maybe they're keeping the price down so Robinhood can hop in on the low. I don't know about that, but I do know there has to be some manipulation, right? Because even this guy says Bags only says it went up 30%, and the price was actually matching the market cap was actually matching the volume. But I think, like we discussed, I think there is some kind of manipulation going on, right? Crypto as a whole is not heavily regulated. So them manipulating the price to keep the price down for Robinhood would be a stretch, right? I don't think the other exchanges would care what Robinhood's doing or not doing, right? And I think that with this kind of manipulation, it helps more with the exchanges that are doing future trading. I don't think it matters much for price manipulation. Keep the price down, right? The exchange makes money on volatility. So they want it to go up and come down and go up and come down. I don't think they make much money if the price goes up and stays up, or if it goes down and stays down, right? They need to have some kind of up and down, right? Would you guys trade futures if you knew the price was going to stay up or stay down, right? You're not going to make money if the price stays at 1.4 cents. It's got to come up. It's got to go down. It's got to come up to hype you into buying it and come down so people will sell and people are short. Like I had this guy, I don't know, he stopped, but for a minute, this guy's spending massive amounts of money shorting Turbo. So I was like, dude, you might as well uh, do a future to go up and short, right? The amount of money you're putting in on shorts and you're losing. You're literally losing money. You might as well buy some Turbo in the process, right? At least cover your bets. Stop sending me these messages where you're shorting Turbo and losing, right? I mean, come on, bro. But anyway, I guess he shorted out because he stopped sending messages. So I don't know. Most of the money in crypto is fake leverage money. Really? Samson, that's why I said attractiveness stabilization being the other. Bottom line for me is the coin is being held back. I think you're right, Samson and I think you're right. I think the price is being held down, but I think the price is being held down by multiple cryptocurrencies and multiple exchanges. Like I think the price is being manipulated by or for Kaspa as well and some of the emerging technology, right? If you want to run all your focus on Bitcoin, you wouldn't want several new emerging technologies popping up to confuse the masses. Like, not a lot of people are doing the amount of research you guys are doing and diamond handing the amount that we are. The only reason that Turbo isn't crashing and burning because the amount of holders, right? People buy it and hold it. And I wish there was charts that show that. I think it might be TurboTrack. But yeah, I wish there was like for Caspa, it tells you how long people have bought and hold. And I don't know if that's on Turbo Tracker. Let me see if I can find this real quick on Twitter. Okay, Preston, we'll see what your video's talking about. Let me see here. I don't know what happened to my window. Okay, here it is. Well, I got a pretty good amount of videos here, Preston. Suspect this one. Oh, baby, I'm so on the show.
Blasting off the pad, yeah, I'm ready to go. Started from the bottom, now I'm king of the scene. Crypto's greatest pocket, living every dream. They said it was a joke, just a flash in the pan. Now I'm cruising past the moon, beer in my hand. Engine's on fire, but I'm steady and clear. Didn't even fill my beer when I launched out of here. Turbo, flying no fear.
It's weird. I don't know what happened there. See if we can bring Preston back up.
Turbo, baby, I'm the star of the show. Blasting off the pad, yeah, I'm ready to go. Started from the bottom, now I'm king of the scene. Crypto's greatest pocket, living every dream. They said it was a joke, just a flash in the pan. Now I'm cruising past the moon, beer in my hand. Engine's on fire, but I'm steady and clear. Didn't even fill my beer when I launched out of here. I'm turbo, flying no fear in my seat.
It's actually pretty cool, Preston. See if we can post it to X so we can show them on X, right? Let me see. We're getting crazy with the. I don't think it's for Robinhood. You are right. What is this? Moasi? Moasi? Moasi, you're right because these guys don't even know. Even the exchanges are up and down about listing and when the listing comes out. So I don't know if for sure they would have a set date. Um, it's for the entire market. Do you know if it is a listing or a partnership? I would say partnership. Um, I've been holding since August. I'm up in profits, but I'm not selling now. No way. Yeah, I've been in before August, right? We've been in since last year. TF, bro. Thank God. Thanks God. Okay. But oh wow. Interesting. I was looking at Mog yesterday and noticed a pattern where it's essentially mirroring Turbo. Really? Alien Adam, what's going on? Uh Lobby Turbo, something else to the moon. So Mog, I did hear that from someone else too, that a lot of these are kind of tracking each other, which is weird. Right? If these all separate entities, why are the prices so similar on different, completely different crypto projects? And like for some reason, where is Mog? Yeah, Mog is here at 1.2, 1.2, 1.23 billion. Then there's Peanut, which came out of nowhere. Popcat, 1.9 billion. This guy is new as well. This AI 16Z, I did pick up some of this. It's on Solana. And it's like every time Turbo comes up, something else comes up behind it and flips it, right? Like this Gluteus Maxima flipped it. We finally flipped those guys. Nero flipped it. Finally got ahead. This SPX 6900's finally coming down. This Giga Chad, which has went crazy down since the listings, right? I think it got listed as well. It's actually up. But previously it was coming down, right? It peaked. There's this. This is didn't they get listed with Turbo on the same day? No, no, no. Allen. Once upon a time, there was a market where buying was not profitable. Once upon a time, there was a market buying was not profitable. I started holding Molly 2 weeks ago. Okay. So I guess we'll go back to the video.
I guess they're gonna announce something pretty massive here. This is coming up. This is gonna be in 4 days from now. This should be sometime next week. Um, and again, seeing stuff like this is obviously huge. You know, Turbo not staying stagnant. They're not settling just for a Coinbase listing. There is speculation that maybe this could be a Robinhood listing. I saw someone reply to this tweet. Yeah, didn't we learn from the Animoca brand partnership about announcing announcements? They said this will be better. You know, I don't know if you guys are been holding Turbo that long, but again, maybe it was uh not that long ago, right? Where Turbo had kind of this hyped announcement about you know, a partnership being announced, et cetera, and it ended up being Animoca brands, which again they announced and we haven't really heard anything from or about in that given time, and maybe they are working on some things specifically in the background on it. But you know, I think for most people holding Turbo, that announcement was somewhat of a letdown. So maybe Turbo has a huge announcement here that they're going to announce something, you know, very significant. Again, who knows? If it's a Robinhood listing, that'd be crazy. I know a lot of people on Twitter now, crypto Twitter, which again, these meme coins, right? The Twitter crypto community behind Turbo is massive. It's very bullish, which again is key. I think it's key. I think any crypto community obviously has a Twitter community behind it, but Turbo specifically is very strong. But yeah, like I said, this could be, who knows what this is. Let me know in the comments below what you possibly think this is. I mean, we haven't really gotten tweets like this from Turbo as far as just like hyping up an announcement. Really only one other time. So hopefully it is something very massive. Again, I think still, if this were to somehow Turbo price somehow go under a penny, I would be personally considering DCAing even more into it. I think that's an absolute buy low. But yeah, let me know in the comments below how you feel about Turbo Token. Just wanted to kind of share this update video with you guys, as you know, the price has consolidated a little bit, up 30% essentially since the Coinbase listing over the last 7 days. But yeah, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, you guys, and as always, have a great day.
Yeah, I was wondering what Molly was, so no problem there. But yeah, I think it's a partnership. I'm telling you guys, I don't think for um exchange listings. I was trying to see, but nobody actually commented. For Coinbase, they mentioned that it was coming, right? And then they said uh when, and then they gave a date, but I don't think there was actual, there was an announcement, was it? I can't remember. Let me know in the comments. Actually, I can go back through the videos and check. But I don't remember them actually pre-saying. I just know that they said that Coinbase was coming, and then Coinbase gave a date,
What's up,
right?
y'all? Alonzo here. I just want to talk about some Turbo. And man, I made my video earlier today, and y'all came out and really started pouring in the comments, guys. I like to see that from a community, man. I really do. It really intrigued me, and I
I'm trying to say that I suspect all coins are viewed differently by the exchanges and thus treated in a way where they need to be more controlled. Uh, yeah, I was like, Molly, ha ha. Tiger, what's your percent portfolio? Pretty bullish on Turbo. I say probably 60% Turbo. I got a lot of I got a ton of KRC20 tokens, which I do hope pop as well. And then I got a lot of Degent plays and Solana tokens. And the rest is in Ethereum and Solana. And if I do make it on these decent plays and these KRC20 tokens, I'm probably gonna buy top three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and I do have a pretty good amount of XRP, which I bought years ago. I just been holding on. I got a whole bunch of exchanges. Well, a whole bunch of wallets where I buy stuff and put it in my wallet. Shout out to Tangent, and just sits there, right? Once I buy it, shout out to the Tangent wallet. Once I buy it and have it, it just sits there. I don't even look at it. I'm looking at newer plays or degen plays, right? So I get into those and hold them as well. Let me know what your top, everybody in the comments, put your top 3 holdings. What are your top 3 crypto holdings? Put it in the comments section. Let's get back to Alonzo. What the heck is
Uh, Proud to say that I did go ahead and snag me a bag. You guys wired me up with all of your comments, and I just wanted to get on here and let you know that, man. But let me go ahead and point this out. This was one of the dopest comments that I got on here. Somebody said the first meme coin created by a human is Doge. The first meme coin created by AI is Turbo. And for those of y'all that are new to Turbo, you can go to their X, and that's the first thing that you see up here. The first AI generated meme coin. You go to their website, they talk about it as well. But let me go over some of these comments here so you can just see how thick this community is. You know, I had announced in the previous video that I was going to buy a bag, and it says great decision. Somebody said it's drastically come down since Coinbase. Take advantage.
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting that Tangent ring. I heard someone else talking about it. Actually, that might be something to get for Christmas. Because with the Tangent ring, I actually need to know how that works too. But I was thinking about looking at the Tangent ring, Turbo, Hoppy, and Solana. I got Speedy. I think I sold my Hoppy. I got that and I think I sold it. Turbo Mog. You guys are deep in Mog, huh? Hoppy, Landwolf. I got out of Landwolf. I should have kept it. XRP, Turbo, and Hoppy. You guys are big on Hoppy, boy. XRP, Turbo, and Hoppy. Maybe I need to get into Hoppy. I have Hoppy. No, no. Yeah, I remember why I got out of Hoppy. No worries there. Started DCA everything into Kaspa until 100%. Before 20% Solana, 20% Ethereum, 30% Kaspa, and 30% BTC. Quarter crawler DOG. What's going on, man? Tangent fingering works well like the card. So you just tap it against your phone? I need to research that actually. Let me get back to Lonzo. Lonzo, what you got to say, Lonzo?
Someone else says, I've been in the Turbo community since last March, and it is strong. Some really good partnerships, not just a meme. It's also 100% community owned with only 69 billion supply. And right now it's only an $835 million market cap. We got close to that billion yesterday, but we will hit it. And when we do, boom. That's good. That's a good comment. Somebody else, I need more Turbo. Some huge news coming out on the 17th of December, according to the team. Good time to get in, guys. And you know what? Like I said in the previous video, go to their X, and one of the posts from 10 hours ago, it says, mark your calendars. The turbo revolution is just getting started. Stay sharp, get ready, December 17th. So if you're just watching this video, tuning in, go confirm this, man. They say that there's going to be.
There's a lot of hype about the announcement the 17th, right? That's why I don't think it's an exchange listing. I could be wrong, but I don't think they would hype an exchange listing this big, right? Because if you don't know, sometimes with the exchange listings, they start it and then they stop it, then they start it, then they ask for money, then they ask for tokens, then they check for liquidity. So there is a lot of delays with exchange listings, right? And then a lot of, I don't know if it's legal, but there is a lot of back and forth when dealing with the exchange. It seems to be straightforward, but it's not as straightforward as we think it should be. I'm hoping Turbo gets down to 0.009 so I can buy a significant amount because I think that we will be last. I think that would be as low as it gets. If it goes anywhere under that, I'll be worried. You're right. And I think we were talking about that yesterday. Oops, forgot Arch Block. So Solana is my number 4 holding. Turbo, what up, quarter crawler? Turbo. Oh yeah, I did pick up some Sui after these guys have been talking about it, and it's weird, right? So I watch Larry Jones, right? Larry Jones, Keenan Grace, Stock Mo, and Stock with Larry. What's the other guy's name? Stocks with Josh. So these guys only talk about certain cryptos, and the certain cryptos they talk about are only on Coinbase and Robinhood. If it's not on Coinbase or Robinhood, they don't talk about it. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to get to Robinhood, right? So these other major influencers will start talking about it. But I did pick up Sui because these guys are hammering Sui, 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 Sui. By the way, Archblock has some sort of partnership coming up with SpaceX, Tesla, Starlink. What? I'm gonna have to get back into Archblock. No, I was in Archblock, and then the thing with one of the influencers happened, and all kind of weird fudding happened, and then people started dumping it. But there's a lot of rumors, so I don't know rumor wise. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm losing track of my. Ready for Takeoff. Definitely Sliff Lord. Don't wait for Turbo to go into Penny. Get it now before the announcement on the 17th. You're right, Samson. I think that is a good point. Because let's see here what we're looking like. Looks like Turbo continues to. Why does this always go to this damn home screen? Why does it always go to the home? What I'm looking at, bro. Here we go with this. Only like memes for trading. So get that juicy volatility without rug pulls. I think Sue will do better than Kaspa as far as ROI. I'm thinking that too, right? Look, straight up. I was hyped on Kaspa years, right? Hype Casper. I got Casper t-shirts, got Casper hats, and then Casper just got stagnant, right? Just stopped. I don't know. And it seems like it would pump, but then these guys are saying maybe the Bitcoin maxis are trying to suppress Casper because I'm telling you, like I know the crypto market doesn't really favor the new stuff, right? These guys are still looking at Dodge and Pepe, and what was the other one? Why are we not? Let me see. Go back to here. Not sure what happened with TradingView. Why is this not going to my? That's weird. Um, yeah, these guys are still hung on Dodge and Shib, and Shib ain't doing nothing, right? Shib ain't done nothing the whole time. I was a big holder in Shib. I was looking at Shib YouTube videos. Siberian was coming. Shib was taking over. What is that? Shib was taking over utility. Shib was supposed to be the biggest meme coin, the baddest boy on the market. Nothing happened. The Shib dev team disappeared, and people are still holding 16.5 billion worth of SHIB. The crypto community has a fascination with old projects, right? Pepe is nice, but Pepe didn't do anything. And if Baby Dodge is up to 3.7 billion, and number 4, I think for sure Turbo should at least be able to hit this Brett Flocke, right? You know, we had our problems with Flocke in the past, but I think Turbo could flip Flocke. I don't know what you guys think. Agree, disagree, like it, hate it, love it. What's your thoughts on how far Turbo can go? Right? I think Turbo, and with this big announcement that's coming, yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's definitely a partnership. Samson, 4 days left to the 17th, and the price is still normalizing. Turbo is now 1011. So is shadow banning a real thing, right? Do they not want me talking about certain things? I don't know what happened there. I know one thing, I was up to 300 viewers and all of a sudden everything stopped. I don't know what happened. What happened there, ladies and gentlemen? We were up to 300 and something viewers. Maybe I was talking about Bitcoin too much. I don't know. They might tell the world Trump's son and Elon's must support it. Hype is good as long as it matches itself either. There we go. Back to 300. It has a negative effect. At DCA Dodge, it's doing things. What is DOG? What are you talking about? Shadow ban, bro. F. I guess things got dark for a while there. Love for you to check out the review. Who? Memecoin called what? He's the creator of Chiba. Really? Pump it up, chat. Definitely keep the chat rolling, guys. Let's rumble. Yeah, keep the chat rolling. Then they're trying to shut us down, I guess. I don't know what happened, but it's weird that the thing just dropped. I don't know what happened there, but I don't know if it was the internet or what, but that was weird. The whole uh okay. We are back. I don't know what's going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. They can't stop us, right? We are here. We are back. We are live. We're doing it all live. Kaspa has zero insider allocations with the small gains, but Sushi has delivered huge gains despite insider allocation. And I still think Sui has another 10x to 15 from here. I don't know, but I got into to Sui, right? I like the project, and I'm telling you, man, these guys, Sui's on base, right? These guys are pumping the heck out of Sui versus Steel. Nobody's talking about Casper, right? So I don't know. Yellow medallion, yellow first, red medallion, yellow first, red medallion. What are you talking about? Um, yeah, man, I don't know. I do think from talking to the business, even on the turbo side, there is a lot of manipulation going on, guys. Just face it, right? Face facts. There are partnerships and unions going on, and there are people that are saying uh different things. Dog coin first meme on BTC. I think KC it. Okay. I'll check that out. What time is it? What time is it? 107. I guess we'll keep this running. Gonna chart. It appears on the 15-minute chart. Things are getting weird. What's happening here? Our size up and down, and we're losing and adding volume pretty frequently. Turbo, let's go, right? We can't stop the community, right? They can't hold us down. We cannot be stopped. Shout out to you guys. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. That's weird. Once you start talking about the Coinbase numbers, everything started getting weird. But I still think, 800 million market cap. Why is Live Coin Watch so far behind? That is weird, right? Because these guys are saying 800 million market cap. Live Coin Watch is still saying 757 million market cap. I'm not sure how the market cap works, but I don't think it swings. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party. Don't forget that. Play this quick video while we're waiting. I think it's like a minute or something.
Spiraling over YouTube banning ad blockers. Like, chill, guys. Just use Pi. It's a free Chrome extension that's actually by one.
Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays.
This guy kills me with super, super short videos.
Talking about Turbo Coin. The creator of Turbo Coin put out a tweet today saying, mark your calendars for December 17th. So that's 4 days from now. And you might ask yourself, why did he say that? He was saying basically that something big's coming, mark your calendars. I'm not sure what it is. I only can make a speculation that maybe we're going to have a Robinhood listing. I hope that's what it is because Robinhood will send Turbo to the moon. My estimation is it'll run up very strongly, make a real quick aggressive move all the way up to around 33 cents. It could happen very quickly when it's listed on Robinhood. The Coinbase listing is awesome. We will see many pumps from this Coinbase listing. And we saw an initial pump pulled back, and now we're going to see another pump, all from the Coinbase listing. That will happen, but 4 days from now, we're going to see something big. I'm guessing, per the creator of Turbo Coin, and my guess is going to be a Robinhood listing. If not, hopefully it's something else just as spectacular. But I can't think of anything better for Turbo Coin than a Robinhood listing. What do you guys think about it? Will we get a Robinhood listing? I hope so. Hit like, subscribe, add a notification, share the video with a friend. Very soon, I'll have a new XRP update video for you. I already have the information and I'm putting the video together. So make sure you're subscribed and add notifications. Have a great day. Hey, friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Play.
Okay, guys, this is kind of weird. I don't actually have access to the StreamYard window. I don't know what happened, but it's not coming back on. You're right. There's a lot of talk among the business about people or entities pulling in bigger corporations pulling into crypto. Without regulation, they could be manipulating or bringing the price up and down. So I don't know. They're gonna call it regulation, but with this unregulation happening, people are able to do what they want to, kind of, right? And then once it does regulate, things are going to slow down before they take off again. Can Turbo hit 10 cents? Yes. When is the question? Where do you buy Turbo NFTs? That's a good question. I don't know, but I have a ton. I have over 1,000 Ethereum NFTs that aren't really doing anything. So I will caution you guys about getting into the NFT market, right? They're sitting there. Maybe if it comes back, but I would love to sell them and get my Ethereum back. But there's not a lot. Love this guy channel too. I don't know how high Turbo will go, but I will be satisfied with 5x. I would be satisfied with 5x. 5x and my money is great. The more the merrier, but I'm cool with 5x. So I can't really stop the video because I don't know where the window is. So I might have to just shut it down. I hope it's a Robinhood listing too. Thinking realistically, the hype on the 17 month mean much. Oh man, Robinhood listing would be the cherry on top. Let's go. I think it actually, I'm going to stand by the position. I don't think it's a listing. Right? It might be. I would be shocked, but I don't think it would be this much hype over a listing. I could be wrong, but I don't know. But I'm also trying to see where's my freaking window for StreamYard. Frick happened to the StreamYard window? Gotta get a desktop. I'm sick of this. Uh, well, I'll play uh this guy and see.
Announcement coming out on the 17th. And when you discover that this Turbo token is on almost every single exchange, you'll see that this announcement is probably going to be something to the effects of what somebody else here said. Let me pull it up. Somebody else here had said Robinhood. Imagine if you get Robinhood. Y'all got me excited over here, man. Somebody else said load the toad. We love Turbo and buy every day. I only have 2 million and it's not enough. It also has a ton of partnerships. Buy the dip now. Turbo will 100 be the biggest meme. It will absolutely moon this cycle. Even from here, 45 to 65 cents, straight facts. Uh, let me see, 2 million turbo here. Somebody said thanks for profiling turbo. So guys, the community is thick, man, and I am I'm appreciative that you guys came over here and commented on here, man. It literally, like I had already decided to buy a bag, but I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna just wait till I find a good entry point. But at the end of the day, I mean, what am I really waiting on? I'm waiting if to come back, what below the what is it at a 1 cent below the 1 cent mark and hit a 9 and I buy. I mean, it's sitting at 1 cent and a 2. You know what I'm saying? So if it goes up a little, goes down a little, what's going to matter is when it really starts going up and that 1 turns into a 4, turns into a 5, turns into 10 cents. That's when it really matters. So I'm not I'm not hesitant to buy into a token, man. I'm telling you, my diamond hands are strong. I've been holding some tokens for I don't know how long, man. I just regret that I missed this one because I had every opportunity to buy it. It almost seems like somebody has been mentioning it on my channel for like it seems like years. And I don't know when this token came out. I don't think it's that old, but um it seems like years. So maybe a minimum of a year. Somebody's been on there commenting and letting me know I could have got it in. I could have got in much sooner, and I would have diamond handed it to this point, man. So to those of y'all who have diamond handed it, I know I know how it is, man, because I've been holding Jasmine for 2 years, so now it's in way in the profits for me. I'm just waiting to see more. So if you're in that phase right now to where you've seen that type of increase in turbo and you're still holding, you're a diamond handed and you're still waiting to see an even further increase, guess what? I just joined you. I joined in right here and I'm with you, man. So I want to see this go up just like you do, man. So if you ain't got no turbo, get you some, and make sure that you look at the links in the description, man, so that you can take advantage of some of these referral bonuses that I have there. And remember, I am a realtor in Florida, so if you need to buy or sell a home anywhere in the United States, I've got a team that can help with all of that. Especially if you're moving into the country, we have people that specialize in taking.
That is really great. Thanks for joining. And I just shut it down, but I can't shut it down because I can't even find the window. I don't know what's going on my computer. So I'm probably just going to close StreamYard, which will probably, hopefully, shut everything down. But I don't know. But I'm wondering why StreamYard is not responding. I was trying to go to, let's see. Let's go to CoinGecko. See what CoinGecko's saying about Turbo before we just completely shut it down. Might have to restart the computer. But what? Shut the front door. Elon's talking about Turbo. So yeah, this also says 800 million market cap. Why is Live Coin Watch so far behind? I don't know. But thanks for joining, guys. I'm gonna try some things here, and it might kick me out. Thanks for like, sharing, subscribing. Thanks for your super chats. Thanks for supporting your main man BTM in the X community and the Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn Up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Okay, so we did get the browser back. All right, let me finish these up real quick. Realistically, this hype on the 17th won't mean much. Oh yeah, Robinhood listed would be the cherry on top. That's what I was saying. Waiting to pull a penny. Elon giving Turbo a huge massive shot on X. Would be amazing. Chew if Elon mentions Turbo, that would be off the chain. But all right, guys, thanks for joining. I've got my browser back so I can finally close it out for the day. Thanks for joining and see you soon. It's your main man BTM signing out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. And also remember, let's get back to the money, guys, and stay dangerous. Miner out.